Today I got a mail from Medium. In that there is a package suggestion from hatfeather.io. It says that their Dough UI package gives a squishy UI effects to the Flutter widgets. Since I am bad in UI, seems interesting. Let's get started. Here I've already created an empty Flutter project to save some time and kept some things on beforehand too. And now let's change the directory. cd, was the name? Okay. Now here's the package. Dough 0.2.2 published by hatfeather.io as already said. Now, and here's the package dependency. Let's add it to our pubspec.yaml file, which is in the main project directory here, and we'll directly install it in our dependencies under the Cupertino icons. It would be better. After that, we need to just add flutter pub get. This would add the dependency to our file. Okay, it seems wrong. Okay, it's put. Okay, flutter pub get. Now it's going to do it.
1 hour later.
Okay, it's done. And we'll see what we need to import. Okay, here's the import we need to use. Just we'll skip directly to the example part. Copy the whole code and paste the same in our main.dart file in the library. Select all, Control V, Control V. Just make it okay. It's done. And just flutter run. Hope it works. And compiling. Did I miss something? Sure, I missed something. I'm pretty damn sure that I missed something. Oh dear, that was not expected. So after that I started to search what I missed and eventually have to hit GitHub for some help, because the main.dart file of example which was given in the dev was incomplete, and I studied some more articles to make everything up and running.
1 eternity later.
And then I got a clean build. Sounds good. Now how the app looks. So it was pretty basic app when just I was exploring it. The first one was dough recipe, so it's draggable. Yeah, you heard it right, the UI was pretty draggable, and after that pressable. It just feels like a jello thing going on. Seems interesting animation though. Draggable and cool stuff. Although it was not so satisfying, but it's good for a beginner level thing. And here's the one which has some fixed parameters to do with. So here you don't need to do the dirty work, all I have done. There is a GitHub link below in the show more section, so you can see and have a look on the main thing. And until then, subscribe and like.